again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix unallocated space in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So unallocated space on a disk means that it isn't assigned to any partition, making it unusable until it's properly allocated. And you can follow this step on this video to fix the problem. First, you need to access the disk management. You can press Windows and then X later on your keyboard. And then you can just select the disk management in here. And alternatively, you can also use the Windows plus R and then type or this management.msc and hit on enter. Okay, so this is the disk management. The first one, if you want to allocate the unallocated space, you can create a new partition. You can locate the unallocated space in the disk management window, this one, and then right click on unallocated space and select a new simple volume. You can follow the wizard, set the volume size, assign a drive letter, and choose a file system such as an TFS and format the volume. You can just click on finish to create a new partition. And option 2, you can extend an existing partition. You can right click on a partition adjacent to the unallocated space and then select extend volume. And you can just follow the wizard to merge the unallocated space with the existing partition. You can also use this part command line tool, but this is for advanced user. So if this management doesn't work, you can use this part. So to use this part, you can just press on Windows and R on your keyboard and then type on CMD, hit on enter, and then type on this part and enter again. And in here you need to enter the following command step by step. You can just here tap on yes. Here you need to list this in here and then select this X and then create partition primary, format the FS and TFS quick, assign, and then click on exit. You can also check for hidden partitions. You can unallocated space may be part of a hidden partition. So you can use disk management or third-party tools to identify and recover space if necessary. If you can't allocate space, you need to resolve this issue. You can just run a disk check by tapping on check this /f/r in the command prompt and use the third-party tools like use US Partitions Master to troubleshoot and fix the errors. And last one, if needed, you can also initialize the disk. If the unallocated space belongs to a new disk, it might need initialization. You can just open the disk management again and then right click the disk marked as not initialized and select initialize disk and choose a partition style. You can use GPT for newer system or MBR for older systems. So by following this step, you can allocate an unallocated space and make it usable on your system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.